Want dark mode on your MacBook? A quick step-by-step in 60 seconds. Click the Apple menu at top left, then open System Settings. In System Settings, select Appearance in the sidebar to view theme options. Choose Dark to switch immediately. Menus, Dock, and Apps will turn dark. Or pick Auto so macOS changes with sunrise and sunset automatically. Tap Schedule to set custom times or use the sunset to sunrise option. For accessibility, open Accessibility settings and enable Reduce Transparency or Increase Contrast. Some apps offer individual themes. Check App Preferences to override system appearance when needed. Enable Night Shift to reduce blue light and pair it with dark mode for evenings. Consider darker wallpapers and reduce motion for less glare and smoother visuals. Quick tip: schedule dark mode from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. for better sleep and less strain. You're all set. Enjoy a calmer, modern Mac experience with accessibility in mind.